Hello, beautiful people. How are you today? Today we're going to we're going to create anchor links. So mainly you can do that when you're creating a one-page website where you don't want it to have like different pages opening. You just want to have a one-page website that is opening to different sections of the same page. So you can use anchor links to achieve that. I'll also show you how to create anchor links for a different page, or maybe let's say when I click on this button, get started, I want it to open a section here. Let's say, for example, this part, high selling products here. So let's start. First, let's click on Customize tab. Come to the menu section, then click here. So here I will remove all these pages. Remove the product page. So once I've removed all these pages, I'm going to create now my anchor links. So I will click on Add Items, come to Custom Links, and create my anchor links. So I want About page. On the URL, I'll put an hash sign and click on Add to Menu. Another item, service, and then here I will put hash and then click on Add to Menu. Let's work on these two items only for now. I'll click on Publish and then I close here. Now on your home page, you click on Edit with Elementor. So now we have our About section, we have our Service section here. So on our different sections, we're going to select the section. For here, it's About a section. So you click on the About section. You go to the Advanced tab here. And on the CSS ID, you write About or name it the way you prefer, but because it's an About section, it's fair enough just to write About. Then I scroll down to the Service section. Service section, I go to the Advanced tab. On the CSS ID, I write services. I click on Update and View. On this page, you click on the Customizer tab again, and then you come to Menus, your main menu, primary menu, or however you've named your menu. And then you come to the About menu, and here on the link, you come back to the home page. You remember when you selected the section here, on the CSS ID we named it About. So you copy this About and then you come back to the customizer and you paste that word here without any spacing. Don't remove the hash. The hash sign has to be there and then you write About. The same applies to the service section. You go back to the editor on the service section. The CSS ID, Advanced tab CSS ID, you copy. You come back to the customizer and your URL should look like that. Hash sign, then services. And then you click on Publish. You close here. And now you see we have our menu items here. But at this time, when you click on the menu items, they will not open a new page. They will take us to the section with the About information. So let's try it. We click on the About. Voila, you see, you're on the About Us section. And when you go back to the services, you click on Services, you go to the service section. Okay, that is how you create anchor links that are scrolling to a section of the same page. So next I'm going to show you how to create an anchor link that will scroll to a section on a different page. For example, when someone clicks here, View Products, it will scroll down to this section of a new page, of a different page. So let's start. So first you click on Edit with Elementor, and then you scroll down to the section that you want the button to link to. So in this case, in this section, you select the section. Make sure you select the section. Go to the Advanced tab. On the CSS IDE, you can just write products. Click on Update. Okay, so this is the section that we want. When we click this button, it comes to this section. So we go back to the button here and click on the button, select it, go to the left panel, and on the link on your button you can put hash. And how did we name it? We named it, let's see this section, Advanced tab, products. So copy products, come back to the button, on the link, copy the products. But now it doesn't end there, because it's a different page. We need to put the link of that page. So this is the products page. You copy the link of the product page. Make sure you only copy the link that it's linking to the product page. So here, so you copy the link of the product page without this preview. So only copy the link of your website with the product page. Okay, I'm working on a local host, that's why you're seeing localhost link. So on your website it will be different. So you copy the link of that page, the product page, come back to the button page on the home page, and here in front of the hash sign, paste that link there and click on Update. So let's test and see. We are on the home page. This is our button. So when we click on the button, now you see it's linking us to this section of the product page. So it has scrolled to the product page and on this particular section of high selling products. So that is how you link. You put anchor links to link to a different section, to a section of a different page. So yes, that worked perfectly. But now we have a problem. If you click on the service button, we expect it to go back to the service section on the home page. But now we see when I'm clicking on it, it's not working. It's still on the product page. When I do the about section, it's not working. So we're going to fix this error right now. Click on the customize button. Go to the menu items. Click on the main menu. And on these two buttons, we're going to add something on these links, so that when I'm on a different page and I click on the about menu here, it takes me back to the home page on the about section. So our home page is here. We're going to take the link of our home page. It's here. Please, up to here. We're going to take the link of our home page. So for my case, it's this one up to here. Don't take this part of the preview page. Copy it. Come back to the customizer tab. And in front, come back to the customizer tab. And before the hash sign, paste the link of your home page. I'll do the same for the service page. And I'll paste the link there. So let's test this and see. Now we are on the products page. When I click on the about section, about menu, it will take me back to the home page on the about section. Now let's do some testing here. I'll click on the view products. It's taking me on this high selling product section on the product page. And now when I click back on about section or service, let's try service, it will take me back to the service section on the home page. So that is simply how the anchor links work. And so I hope this works for you, and I hope it was so helpful. If you have any questions or any doubts, or did not understand anything, just drop a question on the comment box, on the comment section, and I'll be here to respond to your questions. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for viewing my video. Subscribe and see you next time.